Gotta get closer to the edge.
It's raining.
They're not slippery.
Little bit further.
Welcome to Virginia. Come along as I hike the Virginia's Triple Crown, hitting Tinker Cliffs, McAfee Knob, and the Dragon's Tooth, and revisiting my old friend, the Appalachian Trail. This is about a 36-mile loop, and part of it is along the AT. Let's go. You guys ready for this hike?
I'm so ready.
Ready as I'm gonna be.
Woo! About to start the Virginia Triple Crown. It's pouring rain in typical AT fashion. I think we've got about 36 or 37 miles to go. Should be fun. Here we go. So we're going clockwise from the Dragon's Tooth parking lot. So we'll end up doing the Dragon's Tooth last. We're starting on the North Mountain Trail and then we'll end up on the AT. Hello, little Newt. You're so cute. And right away, getting some mountain laurel. I was just up in the Shenandoah and they were just barely coming out, but they're all over here. And hello, rhododendrons. I didn't see any of these in the Shenandoah. And in typical Blue Ridge Mountain fashion, already getting some fog. It's like pea soup out here. It's a creature.
Creature of the forest. A big chunk on my leg.
It's a foggy, spooky Virginia day. So day one, Virginia Triple Crown, we started off with a bit of a climb. Jukebox said it was 1,200 feet, but it didn't feel that far to me. It was steep, but it just didn't feel that long. And then once we finished that climb, so that was straight out of the gate from the parking area at the Dragon's Tooth Trailhead. After that, we've just been up on a ridge all day. So this is the non-AT part of the trail. We're on the North Mountain Trail today. And then tomorrow we'll loop back and be on the actual AT. But this is supposed to be like the most boring part of the Virginia Triple Crown Trail, allegedly. It's been really pretty, but it's been really foggy, so we haven't gotten to see any views or anything. But what I love about these forests is really like the micro views anyway. Like I love all the little plants, the wildflowers, all the little creatures. So I've been enjoying it, even despite the weather. But it'll be nice to have some more views the next couple of days. Hopefully the weather cooperates a little better. But it is the Blue Ridge, so no promises there. Okay, now moving on to the Catawba Valley Trail. And this is our campsite tonight. We did about 11 and a half miles today. It was pretty chill. We were on a ridge most of the time. Really nice day. I got a puddle in my tent this morning. So sad. All my shit's a little wet. Also, I forgot my extra socks. Usually I bring at least an extra hiking pair and a sleep pair. And I forgot both of those. So I'm stuck wearing the same nasty socks every day I'm out here. And I don't have any socks to sleep in. And they smell already. Tragedy. Virginia Triple Crown, day 2. And today we're going up and over Tinker Cliffs and McAfee Knob. And we're going to be picking up my friend Starburst along the way, who's just joining for days 2 and 3. Should be a good time. Hopefully it doesn't rain as much as it did yesterday. And there's the birthday girl over there. Say hi, Moss.
Hi. Also, you should be filtering my water for me. It's my birthday.
Oh, do you want me to?
No.
I remember seeing a lot of these white flowered plants on the Foothills Trail. I think they might have been called like unicorn wands or unicorn tails or something. They're really pretty though. Got a nice little like half-mile easy stretch of trail before we start going straight up again. Okay, we're at the Andy Lane trailhead and we got a Starburst. That's Starburst. So we were just talking about the Virginia blues. So the Virginia blues is a thing where you're supposed to get sad and hate the trail on the Appalachian Trail because Virginia goes on for so long. But we did not get the Virginia blues because it's an incredible state. I was sad when Virginia ended, personally. I think some people don't like the Green Tunnel, as it's called, but I don't know. There's something so special about it to me. I kept hearing there were a bunch of stairs after the Andy Lane trailhead, so here they are. Here's the stairs. So muddy out here. Look at my shoes. Really almost forgot how humid the East Coast is. Whew. I'm sweating. It's humid out here. So just had a bit of a climb on the Andy Lane Trail, but honestly, this trail is pretty nice. It's well maintained. It's pretty. No complaints from me. Lots of switchbacks. Nice section of trail. And what do we have here? A white blaze. My old friend, the Appalachian Trail. Hello. And Moss found a different little friend in this little hidey hole. You see that little toad back there? Hello. Tinker Cliffs, here we come. And it's always nice to see lady slippers in the forest. Beautiful. All right, the first of the Triple Crown. Going the way we're going. This is Tinker Cliffs. Here's the cliff. There's the view. There's some trees down there. Classic AT. Right, guys?
Yeah, this is it.
It's trying. It's trying.
Zakataba?
Get it?
I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, now you're videoing us?
I just tricked you to be in a video. No, I did get the photo. I did get the photo. All right, the fog is breaking up. It's clearing. We're getting some views out there. There are actually mountains.
Look at these legs.
All right, onward to McAfee Knob. We got cows on the trail. Hello, cows. This is the most AT section of trail I've ever seen, just straight up. Oh my gosh, now we're getting some views. Look at this beautiful landscape. This is our lunch stop for today. And there's the second crown.
We did it.
McAfee Knob. We did it.
I remember it being a lot bigger. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. I think it was a lot more grand after 500 miles.
After you get a video, you can take a photo. And here's our camp spot for day 2. We're staying at John's Spring Shelter, and we did like 12 or 13 miles today. Virginia Triple Crown day 3. We're hitting up Dragon's Tooth today. We have about an 11-mile day to Dragon's Tooth and back to the car. And then we'll be finishing up, getting some lunch for Moss's birthday, and heading down to trail days. So this is the McAfee Knob parking area, and there's the dory. And it's closed for all of 2024. It's closed because they're building a much-needed pedestrian bridge from the trailhead over to the trail across a very busy road, so much needed. Oh, 8.2 miles to Dragon's Tooth. We got some tough climbs out here, but overall hasn't been bad at all. I feel pretty strong, especially considering it's spring, early season for me. I'm having fun. I can't get over how lush and green it is out here. It's so pretty.
Dory, you gotta be in the video.
I'm in the middle of one last 1,200-foot climb to get to the Dragon's Tooth, and then all downhill back to the parking lot from there. There's the cutoff to the parking lot where we parked, but we're continuing on the AT to the Dragon's Tooth. We got rhododendrons! Yay! Look where I am, back where the rhododendrons bloom. It is magical up here. There are so many flowers. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Straight up this rock. Oh no. Oh my gosh, this Dragon's Tooth Trail is a doozy. This is the hardest stuff we've had this whole hike. Oh my gosh, I'm not there yet, but I'm very, very close. Did it. That's the Dragon's Tooth right behind me. That trail was so ridiculously hard, and we still have to climb back down part of it. Oh, I probably won't film that though. I'm about done. I'm tired. I'm whooped. I'm ready for some lunch. Moss and Dory climbed up there. I was too tired. There they are. I hope you enjoyed following along on this hike. I know I enjoyed hiking it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already for hiking, backpacking, outdoor, and travel content. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.